Welcome to Survival Project. Lesson 3. Igbo sounds. There are two sounds in Igbo, udame and bochume. There are 8 vowel sounds called udaume. We have A as in father, E as in let, I as in see, E as in pit, U as in go, R as in law, M as in food, U as in put.
There are 28 consonant sounds in Igbo called mbochume.
B as in boy, Sh as in church, D as in dog, F as in fish, G as in go, B. You say GB simultaneously. B. Re. Try biting your tongue while saying G, so you get re. Gwe as in gwe. Try saying gwe. It's a G sound like G, but you're rounding your lips to get gwe. Gwe. As in hat. J as in jump. K as in kite. B. Try saying KP simultaneously to get B. B. Kwe. It's also a K with rounded leaves, but it's easier when you say when. Kwe. L as in love. M as in man. N as in no. N as in sing. V as in sing. We. Try saying we with a rounded lip so you get we. It's like a W, like we, but it's we. Ye as in canyon. Ye as in canyon. Ye. P as in pen. P as in pen. R. It's a tapped version of the R, like in Spanish pero. R. R. S as in sun. S as in sun. Sh as in shoe. Sh. T as in top. V as in van. We as in water. Ye as in yarn. Ye as in yarn. Z as in zebra. Z as in zebra. Agwụ nekọrọ m n'ọnụ taa, biko sonyere anyị maka usoro ndị na-abịanụ. Ka emesịa.